Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with a next one. Yay! Alright, so for this video, guys, we're gonna actually be celebrating finally reaching 1,000 subscribers. Yes, and we'll be doing a giveaway at the end too, or maybe through the video. Who knows? You have to stay around and watch the video in full to see it. Alright, so guys, as you can see behind us, I don't know if you can actually see.
Them can.
Yeah, you can probably see, but there we're going to have a water war. We're going to be having a water war today, right? Alright, so basically we're going to try to do 2 rounds of 1 minute, and within that time we're going to try to hit each other with the most water balloons who have the most direct impact, which will definitely see how we put dyed in each of them. Orain own is red, and my own is blue.
Yes.
So we're going to try to do 2 rounds. We don't have that much water balloons, but let's see what happens.
We shall lose. Team Orain
and Team Shadeka. What up? What up, people? What up, people? Usama and leave. No, not this time.
Round 1. Fight.
Start. What you got? What you got? Go.
I'm good in a bird. In a bird. I don't like it.
13 seconds.
Yes! No, it's finished. 1 round finished.
Round 2. Fight.
Begin. Why you throw that?
Yes!
Yeah! Really good. Why you never? Why you not bursting?
No!
Yes.
Final round. Fight.
No, Orain, I'll get a shot. Orain, I'll get you.
Go.
How much is?
Yeah. 14 seconds.
Yes, bitch!
No, siya yung isot na yun. Don't like that Indian. And finish it. We run out. Catch feedback.
No! That's not fair. Oh, I made a mess, so we're cleaning that up. We'll be right back.
Go. Oh, yeah, the car with this. Look at the dash, the dash. I need to do something now. Let's see them on this, running.
No! thief. You. No.
Finish it, finish it.
No, it thief. If you want to up on it, it looks.
I am the winner.
No, guys, who do you think is the winner? Mom, maybe the judge first.
Orain.
Orain, don't beat me. Orain, teeth me. Orain, catch me bullet them up and drop on me. Yeah, Nanny? It must be Nanny. Oh god, guys, don't worry about the clothes. These are things that we don't care if that gets on, obviously. So, make sure to tell us.
Please subscribe.
Make sure to tell us who you think win in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't, because more Mondays like this is to come.
Subscribe for Orain. I am the winner.
No, Team Shadeka up here all day. You cheated.
Team Shadeka is the loser.
You cheated.
I'm the winner.
I biggest in the frame fully. Please steer.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe.
Please, in the name of Jesus Christ, please subscribe.
Touch the button and turn on the bell.
And make sure you turn on in your settings as well.
Yes, thank you very, very, very much.
Hey guys, alright, so we're just popping in right now. This is the section where we tell you about the giveaway, what you need to do, what you're gonna get. Alright, so first guys, we're gonna have a special giveaway which will be announced at the end of this explanation. But basically we'll be giving away a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, as well as a makeup brush and credits, and we'll be giving away about $800 digital credits as well as about 500 lime. So wait, I mean, tell me saying it never said the number them pop up all across the screen.
I don't watch the video, man.
We don't know watch the video then go there.
Credit personal.
That's why I'm saying skip through to the end. No, that's not what you do, darling. You watch and you'll be rewarded.
And watch ads as well.
Anyway, so if you guys haven't not seen the credit that has been popping up through the entire video, I would advise to go back and watch it. No skip through, no bother much about analytics.
No trouble the analytics.
None of that. Comment down below around the first 4 numbers of the credit that you got, so probably persons who are just coming in can see that those credits are already gone, and we as well. So if anybody that doesn't get one of the credits that we have, we can post it in our community tab, and there's a next chance for somebody else to win. So guys, those are the better prizes that you can possibly receive. But no, to win the other ones, them like probably the makeup brush or the palette, we don't discriminate against anybody, men, women. If you want to get it for your woman, as a man who's watching our channel, no problem. If you want to get it for your mom, whoever, or you want to get it for yourself, no judgment. Comment down below. Comment down below what you're interested in getting, as well as ensure that you're subscribed to the channel and following us on Instagram at Orain and Shadeka. That's it. We're not asking for a sob story or asking for you to follow 500 different things and recommend other people. We just want to give you simple instructions to make it eligible, which is just to be subscribed and to just follow our Instagram page, and that's it pretty much. And comment down below what you're interested in, and we'll just do it by random. And now for the special giveaway. Who is a special lucky person? Guys, it's not discriminating against nobody. This is just somebody that has been supporting us on our journey from like day A1, and they're still here to this very day. So we're just kind of showing back, or what do you call it, appreciation, because a lot of people come watch the channel for probably about 4 or 5 videos and then they go. Some people watch and never subscribe and they go. Some people just subscribe and never watch anything. So to have someone just doing all of those things, we definitely have to show appreciation. And I know there's other persons that pretty much do this as well, but we really can't tell if you don't comment down below, or if we don't actually like probably have any other means of communicating with you. So without no further ado, our special giveaway, and you can choose whatever you want down below. Just comment what you want, or you can personally message us, is
Achilles Shields.
Yes, girl. Honestly, we've really appreciated your support, and I know there's other persons out there. That's why we're giving away other things. We want everybody to have a chance to get something. It's just that she definitely stood out to us, and we wanted her to ensure that she got something. So I know there's other persons there as well. I think my mother told me to big up Shadeka. Yeah, I think that's hopefully I'm pronouncing the name properly. Mother definitely tells me that you're watching, and we definitely appreciate everyone who's actually been watching and supporting. Every little view, every little support means a lot to us, especially being this small and under recognized. We really appreciate every one of you, and also would like to big up
Nicole.
of course.
Big Nicole, always the on my side. I'm gonna fire upon Team Shadeka. Fire! Thank you, Nicole. And yeah, Pitaka.
We know
big up
it.
yourself.
Definitely know you watch every Sunday at church or wherever comment
You know
tell me.
in the video there.
Always now comment down below.
Comment
down below.
It is there for a reason.
Comment down below. But definitely we are big up to you.
And big up all of my friends them I laugh. Yes. Me have to big them up. Them watch.
And whoever know me and I watch. Big up, big up, big up. Got a teeth it. I like it. Anyways, guys, we definitely hope you enjoyed this video about wildness they are going earlier today. Please leave a comment down below of what you know was your favorite part, and make sure you tell me who win. Team Shadeka all the way.
You don't watch the video, you don't know say me. The sighting skills up there. Yeah. You know my friend Nicole back me on that, not for myself. Yes. What you got to say now, Shadeka? You ain't got no fans.
Akila, you're out there on my side. That's why, girl, you don't forget girl things. If you get to Akila, then yes, girl. So just comment down below whatever you want. Yeah, and definitely some honorable mentions as well. Definitely have to say big up to Candice.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, you're supposed to know yourself, and definitely happy to hear that you're watching and you're enjoying. And definitely have to say a big up to Miss T, of course, Miss Thompson. Definitely that's been a mentor throughout my life. I'm actually happy that you're actually watching and enjoying and supporting the journey of us.
Yes.
So definitely thank you. Anybody else that we don't know by name, by comments in the comments below, guys, definitely we'll definitely give a big up in your comment down below as well. Anyways, guys,
wait. And to the rest of our 1,000 and odd subscribers, thank you very much for being here.
thank you to all of you guys.
We really appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you for being here.
I think I've seen names like Joshana down there, Joshana Spencer. I hope I'm listening up your name, darling.
I have Green, Master. I'm always a comment, Bird 17. Yeah.
Anyways, guys, I think we're making this way too long, but we just definitely want to
big up
show the love, guys. We appreciate you. We're watching out. So pretty much, once YouTube don't eat your comment, we're pretty much responding to all of them as long as they're appropriate. Every one of them. So guys, don't be shy in the comment section. You're not going to be held accountable for what you said. It doesn't matter.
So thank you guys. If you have made it to the end of the video, as usual, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Orain and Shadeka for Watch the ads. We will see you in the next video.
Bye
Bye guys.